Which of the following processes drives gas exchange in the lungs? And gas exchange is referring to this process of allowing oxygen in. So we bring in oxygen, which we inhale, and we want this to enter the bloodstream because we need oxygen to fuel our body. And we have CO2, which is a waste product, which we want to be removed from the body, so we want that to go out of the body. So this gas exchange is asking, how does this exchange between oxygen coming in and CO2 coming out, how does it occur? Is it occurring because of active transport, diffusion, exocytosis, or pinocytosis? So as we could see in this diagram over here, we have the CO2 leaving the body, and then the O2, the oxygen, going into the bloodstream. And when we say CO2 is going out, it's going out via the alveoli, and we have oxygen coming in to the bloodstream itself. Now, it's important to note that oxygen is moving from a concentration of high O2 levels, so high O2 to low O2. And this is a regular gradient moving from high to low. This requires no extra energy because this is how the progress should flow. It should go from high to low normally. This is just the easy way that everything transports throughout the body to maintain homeostasis. It does not require any extra energy or any extra effort as you would see in active transport, which would occur if we needed to go against the gradient, going from low to high. So think of it kind of like when you move high to low in this diffusion process, it's kind of like walking down a set of stairs. This is just the easy, natural passageway. It's easy for you to move from this gradient from the high to low, from down the stairs, so high to low. As opposed, when you're moving up the stairs from low to high, it requires extra effort, extra energy, and that's how active transport works. So active transport requires extra energy as you move against the gradient when you go from low to high. As opposed to in diffusion, when everything moves easily from its high to low state, which is what is occurring in this example. Oxygen is moving from high to low, so this gas exchange occurs via the diffusion process. Option C and D, exocytosis. This is referring to exporting materials out of cells via vesicles. So this is a different process than what we're discussing here. We can eliminate that. And then D, pinocytosis. This is a type of endocytosis, which is kind of like the cell drinking fluids. So not related to gas exchange. This is a different process. And we can eliminate option A, active transport, because this is the opposite of diffusion. This is not occurring here. We don't need any extra ATP. We're not moving from low to high. We're moving from high to low when we gas exchange between oxygen and CO2. So option B, diffusion, would be correct for this question.